In this video, I'll look at how to run your first analysis and go over what QVscribe is actually analyzing. In the previous video, we selected our requirements that we want to analyze by marking them. Now we get to see how they stack up against INCOSE and EAR standards. Let's go ahead and click on the Analyze button. Once you do that, a pop-up window appears and displays the progress of your analysis. After it's completed, press the View Analysis button. Now your analyzed requirements are neatly displayed to the right within the QVscribe scorecard panel. Alright, so I think this is a good place to pause. So what is actually being analyzed? Well, QVscribe looks at three types of analysis. The first being quality. It checks for 15 key quality indicators in each requirement to determine if it follows best practices. So what are those best practices? Well, let's take a look. They're split into two sections: indicators that affect your score and indicators that are only warnings and have no effect on your score whatsoever. The list is fairly comprehensive and covers INCOSE rules well. When navigating the results in the quality scorecard, it helps a domain expert focus and prioritize revisions based on the type of problems or the level of risk. When we're looking at terms and unit consistency, with regards to terms, QVscribe detects all noun phrases found. So this helps verify that domain-specific terminology is consistent throughout the document and that the correct terms are used in each requirement. And when looking at units, QVscribe detects all units in the selected requirements. The detected units are then displayed by type, along with the requirements containing them. This helps assess that all units are correct and consistent throughout all requirements. And lastly, it looks at similarity. With similarity analysis, the goal of QVscribe is to analyze the terminology and structure of each requirement against all others, and then highlight duplicates, conflicts, and other similarities. So now let's summarize the purpose of the quality analysis. Quality analysis is built for the individual requirement, and the quality score is structured in a way so you avoid writing requirements that are not clear and easily misunderstood by the reader. And by adhering to the outlined best practices, you will be able to write requirements that are testable and specific. When looking at unit and term consistency analysis along with similarity analysis, it's designed to parse the entire document, looking for incorrect unit structures, misused terms, and requirements that may be duplicated. Okay, that concludes this portion of getting to know QVscribe. Join me in the next video where I take a deeper look into the scorecard and scoring mechanics of QVscribe.